It's time for review of the first hotel this year. And again in Wrocław, and again close to the main train station. But different hotel than what was last year. Although it's in the same building. The hotel name is Campanile Wrocław Centrum, which means Wrocław Center. But don't get misled by that name. It's quite far from the center of the town, the main square. About 2.5 km to the center of the city from the hotel. But it's very close, as I said, to the main train station. And it's very budget friendly. And I hope it is wheelchair accessible. We'll see. It's gonna be a very quick tour because it's very late. We are very tired. And we'll have like maybe 6 hours of sleep. Our train departs at 7 a.m. sharp tomorrow morning. White door, like it should be, good sign. Heavy door. Time for the first hotel review of the year. Campanile Hotel Centrum Hotel Center. Budget-friendly hotel, €50 per night if you're lucky. And very close to the main train station. That's why we booked that hotel. And it's like 5 minutes to the main train station through the shopping mall. So I'm gonna do a quick tour because it's very late and we have like 6 hours of sleep. Oh, come on. A lot of room to move around. Spacious bathroom. This shower seat looks quite big, which is good. Shower seats tend to be small. Okay. Yeah, it's quite big. Comfortable. We'll see. It's not soft, hard plastic, but big one. Should be safe to sit on it. Toilet, grab rails, sink, accessible, and plenty of room. Accessible desk if you remove the seat. A lot of room beside the bed on each side, but on one side there is just on one side emergency button. There is no plastic cups. It's kind of eco-friendly hotel.
Hotel, a hotel.
Hotel. The carpet looks very dirty. But it's hard and it's easy to push wheelchair on it. Good morning, rise and shine. This is the view from the hotel room. You can see the Wrocławia shopping mall. Probably it is closed, so we'll have to go around. But it's not far, smooth paths. Behind that is main train station. I messed up last night when we arrived, and I changed the settings for the night mode and forgot to press record. So once again, reception and lobby and the building outside. Lowered desk for wheelchair. This is the entrance for wheelchair users. The door is not automatic. And this is the main entrance with 2 steps. We'll see how far the train station is time-wise. It's 6:24, and we'll see when we arrive. Yes. This is cool memorial. This sculpture is illuminated at night. Soldiers frozen in time. Rejected soldiers? How to say żołnierze wyklęci? So it's not rejected soldiers. It's cursed soldiers. That's the proper translation. The gallery is not opened yet, so we have to go around. So it's 6:31 a.m. and we are at the main train station, Wrocław Główny. So it took less than 10 minutes to get here from the hotel. Thanks for watching. Till next time, more hotels on the way this year, for sure.